So what I want to show you today is how Microsoft Office Lens can be used in conjunction with the Immersive Reader to take images of written content and customize it to suit your reading requirements. Office Lens is a Microsoft application available on iOS and Android stores, and it can be downloaded for free onto your personal or corporate devices. You can use Office Lens to capture images of content in the world around you and then convert it into a file format like Word, PowerPoint or PDF, which can be saved in your OneNote or OneDrive, or you can customize that image and the content within it using the built-in accessibility tool Immersive Reader. So let's open up Office Lens and get started. So as you can see, I've already taken a photo of a page from a very famous book, Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone. Now, once you've taken a photo, the app will automatically crop the image around the text, and you can then press done. So as you can see, I'm given the option to save this image into a variety of locations. I can save it to my local devices gallery, I can save it to PDF, I can save it as in OneNote, OneDrive, as a Word document, PowerPoint, but for the purposes of this demonstration, I'm just going to show you the Immersive Reader functionality at the bottom. So if I just press read, so as you can see, the Immersive Reader has now opened up and it has converted the text that was in the picture of the book page into customizable text. Now when I say customizable text, what that means is I can open up this menu bar and you can see I've got a variety of options. So I can change text size, I can make the text bigger, which you can see there, I can move that back down, I can increase the spacing and decrease the spacing between the lines, I can change the font, so I can move that to Comic Sans, I can change the background color so it's now blue, and it doesn't end there because I can go into certain word types, so nouns, verbs, adjectives, and I can say I want to know which of these words are verbs. So I click verbs, close it, and as you can see it is highlighting in red the words that are verbs. And finally on this page I can see whether I want line focus, so I can have one line focused and I can move through them as such, or I can choose 3 lines or 5 lines. And this really helps to aid focus when reading. I can also translate the document if I wish to. So let's say, for example, I wish to translate this into French. I can select French and I can select the document, and it will translate the entire document or the entire page into French. Now if I do not want to have the entire document translated, I can select certain words to be translated, and I can also show you what that means for the picture dictionary. So let's say, for example, the word boy. I can see there that there is a picture of a boy, and I can also have the word read aloud.
Boy.
Or I can have it read aloud to me in French.
Garçon.
Now this helps to support pronunciation of words, but it also supports identifying and linking words with their uses. So the final thing that I can do is I can have the entire document read aloud to me, and I can choose how I want that done by clicking on the icon at the bottom with the settings cog. I can then choose the voice speed that I wish. I can choose female or male, and once I'm happy with that, I can select the start of the sentence. As you can see, the word "the" is highlighted, and I can press play.
The boy who lived. Mr. and Mrs. Dursley, of number 4, Privet Drive, were proud to say that they were perfectly normal. Thank you very much.
And once you're happy with the settings, Immersive Reader will automatically save your preferences so that next time it will open with these settings already in place. Immersive Reader is available across Microsoft applications and resources such as Teams, Word, Outlook, OneNote, and more. If you have any questions about Microsoft's accessibility and inclusion tools, Immersive Reader in particular, or the Microsoft 365 product set, please get in touch and we'd be delighted to help.